We are pleased to show you the 2022 Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, tapless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control.